AZLAN ADNAN, MA. WFPB Advocate, Raw Food Advocate. If you can't attend any of my NASI ULAM workshops, don't worry, I can come to you. All you need is to find a minimum of 5 friends to join in, and I can conduct a workshop at your place. The cost? I try to keep the cost as low as possible so that the information I share reaches as many people as possible, especially those who need it, those who can benefit from it. I do not want lack of money to be an obstacle to receiving potentially life-saving and life-changing information. So just make a donation. Make sure it's not more than 5% of your monthly income. To share the cost, get your friends to each bring a variety of their favorite herbs, vegetables, and fruits, such as lemon, navel orange, black-seeded grapes, pomegranates, apples, or pomelo, and we'll have the basis for an awesome meal. If you prefer not to eat rice, we can use corn grits, beras jagung, quinoa, or just omit the rice altogether and make a salad instead. If you wish to make an oil-free salad dressing, choose a recipe or two from here. And get the ingredients. However, you'll need to have a blender in your kitchen. From a nutritional point of view, seeded grapes are better than seedless, and the darker the color, the better. So, if you can't get black grapes, get purple or even red as a last resort. Don't bother with green grapes. We'll also need lots of mixing bowls, preferably stainless steel, but plastic will do. I avoid glass or ceramic for safety reasons. I'm a visually impaired person, VIP, with low vision and color vision deficiency. If you don't have a blender, we can make a very tasty oil-free dressing with just rice vinegar, light soy sauce, and some wasabi. Some sesame seeds and nori flakes are optional. In the worst case, some Korean fruit vinegar, like pomegranate vinegar, blueberry vinegar, or strawberry and grapefruit vinegar, works fine as a salad dressing. Watch these recipes to get inspired and know what ingredients to bring. More WFPB recipes.
Why WFPB, Doctors for Nutrition? WFPB stands for Whole Food, Plant-Based, a diet and lifestyle focused on plant-derived foods that are unprocessed or minimally processed, while minimizing or excluding animal products and highly refined ingredients. The diet emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, while avoiding added sugars, refined flours, and oils. The core principle is to eat foods in their natural state or close to it, rather than highly processed imitation products. Key principles: whole foods. Foods that are in their natural, unrefined state or have undergone minimal processing, like canned beans or frozen vegetables. Plant-based. Foods that come exclusively from plants, excluding meat, dairy, eggs, and honey. Minimal processing. A focus on foods that are as close to nature as possible, avoiding ingredients that are heavily refined, such as white flour, white rice, and added oils. Nutrient dense, prioritizing foods rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals to meet nutritional needs. Foods to emphasize: fruits and vegetables, a wide variety of fresh and colorful produce. Whole grains, such as brown rice, oats, quinoa, and whole wheat. Legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Foods to limit or avoid processed foods, any food that has been heavily altered from its natural state. Animal products, meat, dairy, and eggs. Refined grains, white flour, white rice, and pasta made from refined flour. Added sugars and artificial sweeteners, including high fructose corn syrup and confectioner's sugar. Added oils, even those considered minimally processed like olive oil, are typically excluded due to their processing and added calories. WFPB versus vegan diet. While both are plant-focused, a vegan diet focuses only on eliminating animal products and can include highly processed foods, while a WFPB diet additionally emphasizes whole, minimally processed foods.
share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to show your support.